Protecting your truck bed is more than just a necessity. It's an investment in your vehicle's lifespan and your daily convenience. If you've ever struggled with cargo damaged by rain, dust, or theft, you know how frustrating it can be. That's why today, we're unveiling the top 5 best tonneau covers of 2025 to transform the way you protect and secure your truck. These covers combine durability, sleek design, and cutting-edge technology to give you unmatched peace of mind. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Number 1. OEDRO Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Transform your driving experience with the OEDRO upgraded trifold truck bed tonneau cover, specifically designed for Ford F-150 models with a 6.5 feet bed from 2015 to 2024. This truck bed cover is more than just an accessory. It is your partner in redefining convenience, style, and security. Whether you are driving through rugged terrains or navigating the city, this product ensures your cargo remains protected against unexpected weather challenges while offering an aesthetic upgrade to your vehicle. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your truck bed is shielded from prying eyes and harsh environmental elements. This cover not only secures your precious belongings, but also enhances fuel efficiency by improving aerodynamics, which can save you money at the gas pump over time. Moreover, the perfect fit and durable construction reflect attention to detail and high-quality craftsmanship, making it an essential investment for your pickup truck. Easy to operate and designed to integrate seamlessly with your vehicle, this trifold tonneau cover lets you reclaim control over what matters most. Guard your tools, gear, and equipment with a solution that is crafted for dependability and longevity. Delivering both function and sophistication, this truck bed cover is more than a utility. It is a statement of confidence for those who refuse to compromise on quality. Give your Ford F-150 the upgrade it deserves, and let this addition redefine how you travel and transport every single day. The price is around $265. Number 2. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Transform the way you protect your truck and safeguard your belongings with the Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Designed to fit seamlessly with 2019 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra models, this cover is the perfect choice for anyone who values both security and aesthetics. Tailored for 5 feet 10 inches truck beds, it also works perfectly with multi-pro or flex tailgates, ensuring compatibility while adding a sleek and polished look to your vehicle. Every truck owner understands the value of protecting what they carry. Picture yourself driving through stormy weather or dust-filled highways, knowing that whatever is in your truck bed remains safe and untouched. This feeling of reliability and convenience is delivered by the tough design of this truck bed cover, making it a must-have addition for those who refuse to leave their cargo at the mercy of unpredictable conditions. Beyond protection, this cover enhances the efficiency of your truck. By improving aerodynamics, it helps reduce drag, saving you money at the pump over time. Compact yet sturdy, it transforms your truck into a secure and stylish space, allowing you to travel with confidence, whether you are hauling tools for work, securing equipment for adventure, or simply tidying up your everyday drives. This truck bed cover lets you embrace comfort and security, enhancing the value of your truck while simplifying your life. Reimagine your driving experience, gain peace of mind, and preserve the durability and performance of your Chevrolet or GMC with this truck bed solution. The price is around $650. Number 3. WHALEMOTOR Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Unlock the true potential of your Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 with a hard folding truck bed tonneau cover built to enhance both style and functionality. Carefully designed to fit models from 2007 to 2025 with 5.8 feet short beds, this cover is the ultimate solution to protect your truck from the unpredictable elements while adding a sophisticated finish to your vehicle. Crafted with precision, it ensures your equipment and personal belongings are guarded, whether you are on city streets or exploring open roads. Imagine driving without worrying about rain, dust, or snow wreaking havoc on your cargo. With this durable truck bed cover, you can embrace peace of mind knowing that your tools, gear, and essentials remain safe and secure no matter where your journey takes you. Not only does it safeguard your belongings, but it also elevates the appearance of your truck with a sleek and clean design that complements its rugged nature. More than just visual appeal, this truck bed cover contributes to better fuel efficiency by minimizing unnecessary drag, helping you save money over time. It is effortless to use and tough enough to handle everyday challenges, ensuring that you have a dependable companion for work and adventure alike. Whether you are someone who hauls heavy-duty tools or simply wants a neater truck bed for everyday use, this truck bed cover is the perfect upgrade to simplify your lifestyle while protecting the things that matter. Transform the way you drive and invest in reliability with every mile you travel. The price is around $490. Number 4. Rough Country Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Transform your Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 into a stylish and secure travel companion with the Rough Country Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Specially crafted to fit 2019 to 2025 models with a 5 feet 10 inches bed, this cover not only enhances your vehicle's appearance, but also offers unmatched protection for your belongings. Created with a sleek, low-profile aluminum design, it delivers both durability and elegance, making it the ideal addition for individuals who demand more from their trucks. Imagine heading out on your next road trip or daily errands without the constant worry of weather, theft, or debris damaging your cargo. This truck bed cover provides peace of mind by ensuring your tools, equipment, and valuables remain shielded from rain, dust, and prying eyes. It is not just a cover. It is a commitment to protecting the things that matter most to you. But there is more to this cover than security. Its unique design allows for improved aerodynamics, helping your truck glide more efficiently on the road, which may lead to noticeable fuel savings over time. This cover transforms your truck bed into a safe, enclosed space, creating a polished finish that adds value to your vehicle. Whether you need to secure work tools, outdoor gear, or personal belongings, this truck bed cover offers convenient style and protection in one seamless solution. Elevate your driving experience today with a tonneau cover that combines functionality with sophistication, making every drive a worry-free adventure. The price is around $800. Number 5. Tutel Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Elevate your driving experience with the Tutel Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, crafted to fit 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 models with 5 feet 5 inches beds. This premium truck bed cover is the perfect solution for protecting your essentials while adding a refined, modern appearance to your vehicle. Built to withstand the test of time, it allows you to drive with confidence, knowing that your belongings are securely protected from harsh weather, wandering eyes, and unnecessary wear. Imagine cruising down the highway, rain pouring or dust swirling, with no worries about the safety of your cargo in the truck bed. This truck bed cover offers a shield-like defense, keeping your tools, outdoor gear, and personal belongings safe from the elements no matter where your journey leads. It takes the stress out of your travels by giving you control over your truck's storage space. With its efficient design, this cover also contributes to smoother rides by streamlining airflow, which can reduce fuel consumption. The compact construction ensures easy handling, making it a practical addition for everyday use, while significantly enhancing the overall look of your truck. Whether you are carrying camping supplies, work tools, or valuables, this truck bed cover ensures your cargo stays secure throughout the day. Investing in this tonneau cover means combining convenience with elegance, giving your Ford F-150 functionality that aligns with your active lifestyle. Protect what matters without compromising on style, so every drive becomes a statement of confidence and preparedness. The price is around $500. We believe that you like our best tonneau covers. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which tonneau cover you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.